thought I'd do a quick update on this Bosch 18-volt cordless trimmer. I actually really like this one. The battery life on it is amazing. I haven't done a test to see how long the battery will actually last because it kept going, and I just haven't had a full day of work yet out here with this stuff anyway. But overall, it's a really nice unit. I did share in the other video that you can collapse this in half. You just take this bolt out and then it folds right in half so you can have easier storage. This one does have the dual string on here, and I also want to try it out with a mulcher blade. I have some mulcher blades I want to do, and I think it's going to do phenomenal with a mulching blade. But let me go ahead and just give you a quick demo of how well this thing works. I'm working on cleaning up here so I can get my garden started, so let's go ahead and try it out. And this one has an 18-volt 8-amp-hour battery, and it comes with a charger that charges it really quick. I'd like to get a second battery, and then with 2 batteries I'd be able to go all day long non-stop. But like I said, much quieter. And this one also ramps up. I gotta cut up this grow tunnel too. The weather that last winter, it destroyed my grow tunnel. It collapsed from all the weight of the water that was storing on top of it. So I gotta get all this stuff cleaned up and out of here. And then I'm gonna bring the tractor through here and we're gonna grade all this, make it nice and smooth, start our gardens. I'm getting a little late on some of it. I'm not sure if I'm going to have enough light for this. I want to try these Choir Lingo blades. I have several different ones from them, but I figure try one of them out. So this is actually kind of cool. It's made to be like an actual mulching blade similar to a mower. You'll see that it has these raised up fins. I need to get a new kit. Put that on there and nice and tight. Let's give this a try. I'm hoping it's starting to get dark. These mosquitoes are starting to attack me, but I want to try and finish this real quick. So this is the Choir Lingo one with the fins, or the side ones, whatever you call that. So let's take it. My porch light came on. It's getting a little dark. Try it on this super thick stuff. Oop. I like it. I like it. I think it's meant more for brush, but it's working. I wonder how it would do on some blackberries though. If we have enough sun, I could try it. If not, I can finish this tomorrow. All right, we are back the next day, and I want to try this blade on some vines to see how it works. I started thinking with the way that it's curved, for those vines that I got to tilt sideways to try to get and stuff, this might actually make it a little easier to get those vines too. But we're going to test this one out on that. Actually, this blade works amazing. I think it got loose. What happened? No? No, I got off. Yeah, it popped off. I gotta fix this. I knew that was gonna be an issue. I gotta get a different adapter for this because it was messed up when I put it on here. So it just went off centered and now it's making it wobbly. But holy cow, this blade actually works a lot better than I thought it was going to. I mean, it's eating it up much, much faster than what I showed last year when I was attacking these vines with other brush cutter blades. It was actually their blade, the straight one. So I definitely do like the curved one. I think it does better. It gets that side stuff where I don't have to move it around a lot. So yeah, I'm actually excited to try some of their other blades. I think there's a blade similar to this. It's a little bit larger and I think it has teeth, but that'll be another day. Let's see. I think I'll have to fix it because that wobble will be too much. Yeah, that's gonna be too shaky. I don't want to mess this up. Oh wait, I'm missing that. Where did that go? I'm gonna say this blade is pretty darn awesome, and you get two of them in the pack. They're long lasting. I never even had to replace the old blade that I had. It's still going. And I have to say this one, so far, it has tackled the vines the best. Anyway, that's my quick update with the trimmer and one of the Choir Lingo blades. I still have several more blades that we're going to try at a later date, but for now, I do definitely really like this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.